Hello po sa lahat. For this playlist, you will learn about HTML and CSS. So pag sinabing HTML and CSS, ito yung kailangan mo para makagawa ka ng website, aside from JavaScript and any other server-side languages. For this playlist, you will learn how to create this website. This is a simple website for illustration purposes about the About IT toolbox. So it has its header here and a list of tutorials, the About section, and the Contact Us section, and the footer at the bottom. So here you will learn how to add image, how to import font from Google, how to add a navigation bar, to insert some images, create some borders, add some text, embed a Google map, and a lot more. So our About, as you can see, when we click the About link, we will jump right into the About section, and same with the Contact Us. For the Subscribe link, you will learn how to create a form, a subscribe form, which has text box, check boxes, and radio buttons. For the tutorials, when you click one of this picture here, you'll be prompted with a list of videos, just sample videos. This will just illustrate and teach you how to add a table in your document, in your HTML document, and to embed a video from YouTube. Also, you will learn how to create a media query para mag-adapt or maging responsive yung website nyo based on the size of the screen of your visitors. So as you can see, pag in-expand ko yung size ng browser, nag-a-adjust din yung images, text, and yung mga sections natin. So ito yung mga matutunan nyo for this playlist.